All right, I think we have streaming. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you can hear me in crispy quality too now, because of the new mic. Oops. Okay. Yes, I know YouTube. I am streaming. All right. So today we have this RX5700xt. If you saw my previous videos, you will know that this GPU, oh, it's like kind of lagging now. Oh, Picotronics Repair, hello. I do see that I am dropping frames. That is because my I don't have the Ethernet switch, unfortunately. I have borrowed it to someone else, and yeah, that might be unwatchable. I'll try to fix it, guys. Hold on, I'm gonna try to fix it. I did not fix it, but I will try. Oh no, the thing is coming out of here. This might be as best as it gets, so I cannot really get it up to there. Is this quality like livable? I don't think so, right? It's like everything's choppy, probably. Trying to dig up the Ethernet cable. Oh, okay, I can just pull on it. Epic. Okay, I got some more Ethernet. Now it seems all good. We're using Ethernet. Oh my god, I bumped into it. I'm so sorry. Using Ethernet anyway. One that's fast speed. It might disconnect us now, so sorry. Oh, guys, we're back. We're back. Okay. Sorry for that little thing. It really but now we have Ethernet. We should not have any problems with our streaming, and I like knocked it a bit. Now it's at a bad angle again. I think that's good enough, maybe. Oh my god. Of course. Had to be some problems. It's gonna be that easy to just go and stream. Hold on, I have to adjust my camera. Okay, it should be a little bit better. Okay. Hello, Picotronics. I just said hello to you. Hello, Chlorslag. I Squish Worms. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. It sounds good, the mic. Yeah, I did hope so. I think it sounds really good. I did like a comparison against my normal phone mic, and I think this is much better. So yeah, big shout out to Grasspaddle for providing this epic DJI mic to me. It's really nice quality, that I can say. Like, things feel so premium. Yeah, so this is our poor GPU. I'm gonna explain the backstory of it, because if you haven't been watching all of my streams, and I don't blame you for that. But yeah, this mic is just incredible. I won't take the other one out because then it will like do both. But yeah, these mics are great. All right, so what we have here is a RX5700xt. It was given to me, and we have tried a lot of things to get it working. One of which was like trying to do memory diagnostic. We tried that. That didn't really work. Then we thought we saw a short on the memory because the resistance was pretty low. Oh my god, okay. It's off. And so we went ahead. I mean, it's more of my mistake than yours. You didn't do anything wrong, my dear viewers. I went ahead and replaced every single memory chip on one of the streams. And you know what? That did nothing. Because the short, in quotation marks, we took off every single chip. We were taking off the chips, and we saw that the resistance was increasing after we took off the chips to an expected value. But when I replaced every single one of those chips, the value was back down again. And the memory test shows us that unfortunately it doesn't show us anything, because it just blanks out, like makes me stare at it for, I left it for like 24 hours, it was still going. So we do have some kind of issue somewhere else. Now, what brilliant idea I have today. Today I have an idea, two things. First of all, do a visual inspection. I think I did that before, but let's just do it anyway. I mean, first I'm gonna clean the card because it's really dirty. Then I'm gonna do a visual inspection to see if we have any like components that look missing or stuff like that, of the back, of the front. Although this card had the back plate, so I don't really think anything would be missing. But yeah, then my idea is to remove the BIOS, back up it of course, and then reflash the BIOS. Sounds like a solid plan, because who knows, maybe the BIOS of the card is the thing that's wrong. Although I would have thought this switch would like change the BIOS. I did flip this switch, 100% did flip this switch before, so I don't know how my theory holds up now of the bad BIOS. If the switch, like, if there's a switch for dual BIOS and none of the two BIOSes are working, that either means that the BIOSes were are both flashed wrong, which is very unlikely, or that the problem is somewhere else. But you know what I think? It's not impossible. I want to get this card working. I'm gonna do that anyway, because who knows, maybe someone tried the first BIOS and then that didn't work, and then they tried another BIOS and that didn't work either, and they bricked their card. I don't think that's a very unlikely scenario, but who knows. Let's just try. Okay, first things first, let's do a little cleaning. I don't know if I have my I think I don't have any cleaning supplies here. Oh no, I do have some cleaning supplies, hold on. I mean, this is... I apologize for the state of this cloth, but it will do. I know this cloth is pretty good for flux removal. So let's try that. Oh, you have a DJI Mic Mini 2, looks like, that's cool. Sorry for not looking at the chat. Yeah, I think it's a really good quality. Both in like sound quality, that's of course, but also like in the like, how to say, it's made of good materials. You can feel that the magnet is strong. The I don't know, the premiumness of it. You can like feel it, I think. Let's clean off every single chip in here, including the core, since that old thermal paste needed to be replaced. Anyways, just not layer one thermal paste on top of the other. But yeah, while I'm cleaning this card, by the way, if you haven't heard, oh, Grass Paddle, welcome to the stream. Good to see you. I hope you can hear. The quality is absolutely amazing because of you. Yeah, this is the man himself that that has given me this wonderful microphone. And yeah, thank you so much. You're sounding good. Yeah. I know. Now all of my streams are gonna sound like this. And I think that's much better. Yeah, I don't... Oh, I just took a accidental whiff of the IPA. Oh, yeah, didn't mean to do that. But what I was about to say is that I don't think any of the corners are cracked. They look perfect to me. I might like take like a toothbrush or something. I think I might, yeah. I might take a toothbrush and then soak it up. To break up the chunks of flux everywhere. I do also see now that this cap is looking very suspicious. I'm pretty sure I already like checked it and it's very much fine, but it is a little bulged up, probably from the preheating. Yeah, sorry cap. But I think we are just fine with it. Okay. So now let us move on to the visual inspection. I'm gonna change my view. I just have to, oh, I'm so sorry. I had to unplug the USB-C cable because it was charging my phone, but my phone is already at full battery, should survive. Now, let me plug in my microscope, and yeah, we'll go over the whole thing. Hopefully find something that's out of place. Yeah. Okay, that's plenty long cable. And now let me switch to my microscope. Okay, so it is a bit embarrassing. When I switch the sources, like the scenes, I forgot to add the microphone. So yeah, sorry guys about that. I am back now. Uh, as you can see, I got the microscope working again, but I'm gonna have to like rotate it weirdly for it to actually like work. Okay, I think like this should be fine. And now I have to make it like very high. Okay. All right, that's perfect. I just have to flip it horizontally. Transform, flip horizontal. Oh wait, no, that's not right. That's not right either. What? It's upside down, right? Yeah, okay, now it's good, but it's like at an angle. Hold on. Okay. I think we are pretty good now. Yeah, okay. It's all good calibrated. Just set the mic as default in OBS settings. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. All right. So now I have the. How are you liking the new mic, by the way? Similar Electronic Repairs. I think it's really really nice. I mean, I guess this is the mic that you use, right? The DJI mic mini. So yeah, I guess. Yeah, whatever. I guess you already know how good it is. Yeah, sounds crisp. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, so let's see how everything is looking. I am going to preview projector on here. Okay, now my second monitor is a preview projector, so I can see it on the big screen and still see chat. This is one thing that I didn't have at my workshop, and that is dual monitors. So I can see chat, can see OBS, and in the second one I have big preview of everything that's happening, so I can notice stuff more easily. All right. I am kind of half whispering, but I hope my voice does sound good right now. I really just don't want to. Now that I'm in the house, actually, and not in my workshop, I feel like it'll benefit from me not talking so loud, especially since just there's like an open hatch to the attic. I wouldn't wanna disturb anyone. All right, so this is the board. I'm gonna move the board instead of moving the microscope, like I usually do. I feel like that's much better. That all looks fine. Let me know if you spot something that's not normal. I mean, flux, of course, there's gonna be flux because I used flux. But like, if you spot like a place where you think like the resistor is missing or something like that. I mean, you know, something that doesn't look like a factory missing resistor. That looks all right to me. Yeah, there's some flux here. There's a not great joint here. All right. All right. Yeah. By the way, I have done a big gamble today, and I will see if the guy even sends it to me, because he was being kind of weird in the like the description of the item, because he said that the oh my god, can I like say the thing? He said that the laptop, that the pickup was in person only. Oh, JFix, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Yeah. Do you think the mic sounds good? The new microphone? I think it sounds amazing. Very good. All right, perfect. Sounds amazing. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we can all thank we can all thank Grasspaddle for that. Thank you. Yeah. So now, yeah, he said it was pickup only, but he did have a delivery option also. So I'm guessing he just forgot to change the description. I mean, I already paid, so we'll see how it works, how it happens. But Grasspaddle bought you the mic. Yes, yes, that was very, very nice of him. He went out of his way to get me one as close for Christmas as possible, and yeah, I'm very, very grateful, really happy with it. Yeah, so nice. Exactly, very nice of him. Faces do look alright. Oh, Rusty Repairs. We got everyone here. I mean, I guess not everyone, but a lot of recognizable names. Really happy you guys took the time to pop in here. Yeah, continuing my my laptop story. Well, it's an ROG laptop, the Republic of Gamers laptop, and I did make. Okay, those two might be BIOSes. Sorry, I'm interrupting, but those two might be BIOSes. They look very BIOS shaped, you know, like, and this part right here might be. I'm gonna like take a look at them. Anyways, stop interrupting myself. The guy said it is a ROG G17, but I don't know which one because there were a lot and it doesn't say. It could have amazing specs, and it will have amazing specs anyway, but there are more amazing and less amazing of the amazing, you know. So even if it's the lowest spec version, that's still such an expensive laptop. Because it has a Ryzen 9, either 5000 series or 9000 series, and the graphics card is RTX 3070, so it's a very, very nice laptop. And I got it for broken, of course. It's gonna be on the channel. That's why it's a gamble. I got it for £140, which for such nice specs, I think it's a good price. Right? Is it 140? Yeah, I think it's 140. Yeah, such nice specs. I think it's a good price, and also for the for the gamer brand of Asus. The thing is, there is a blown out something. There are 3 caps. I can demonstrate. There are 3 caps, like in a row, and they are absolutely blown, like literally welded to the board. So this will be a challenge for me and my Dremel. Hopefully we can make it work. But after reading the schematics of the laptop, it turns out it's very, very good for me, because the MOSFET that I thought was driving, the CPU or the GPU phase isn't that at all. It's in another area of the laptop, and you know what that MOSFET and circuit is responsible for? Responsible for charging the battery. Of course, it's gonna short out some other rail and the laptop won't boot, but that's like one of the it's really, really possible that it's savable, and I think that's great. So yeah, it is a bit of a gamble. Maybe I mess up with the dremeling, maybe it blown out the CPU and I don't even know it, but from what I'm seeing, it might be a really good deal. And I think, like, from what I've seen, how much these things are going for at their cheapest, I'd say I would easily triple the money that I put into it. That would mean, you know, better tools for me and more broken stuff to fix. So yeah, I'm really excited. Hope you guys are too. And even if it means that the laptop just doesn't work at all and we cannot fix it, it will make for some amazing content. Just for selling the DDR5 you will win. You just made me realize something. It's DDR5, isn't it? The guy took out the SSD and the RAM. Dang it. I guess we will only see, like, if it beeps that the RAM is missing. That's what the point we're gonna get it to. Oh my. Yeah. Oh no, get ready to pay a lot for a new RAM. Yes. Oh no. I really hope it's DDR4. Now I was hoping it's for the more expensive version. Now I'm hoping it's the 5000 series. Maybe. Because I have DDR4 RAM. I have a bit of that. No, it might be DDR5. I don't even have DDR5 in my main PC. I am rocking an 11th Gen i5 and an RX590. I do not have good PC specs at all. But yeah, dang it, you are right. And I also have to buy an adapter. I also have to buy an adapter. For the charger, right? I mean, I saw what you sent me, JFix, the adapter, but I was thinking, you know what I was thinking? I was thinking of an adapter from like a standard old Lenovo charger that has because I have one for a gaming laptop that puts out 100 something watts easy to USB-C. You know, with power delivery, because that will actually, like, let's say, kill two birds with one stone, because it will give me a super powerful USB-C adapter for other laptops, and it will also let me see if the charging circuit is all right for USB-C, because I don't have a 100+ watt USB-C charger, but that will also give me possibilities in the future for other laptop charging. 240, 330? Is it that crazy? Hold on. Now I'm getting curious. Hold on. I'm checking the bottom plate of the laptop, it always says. Oh yeah, thanks JFix for the yeah, I'm checking on my phone. Thank you for the diagram. We know that every single rail is up and running. We are getting stuck at a memory error. I mean, not a memory error, stuck even at searching for the memory, you know, like doing the memory test, we click press, and then it does nothing for hours. So that's where we're stuck at. We're gonna try to replace the BIOS with another version, and we'll see what happens. But I need to see how much this thing actually draws. All right. It says okay, normal input says 200 watts, so that's already like crazy. But it only says 100 watts for the USB-C. Yeah, 10 amps from DC charger. Yeah. And then 5 amps for USB-C. Okay, I have to set up the phone as a webcam again, because I took it off to check. Yeah. USB-C is a hybrid assisted with battery to give the power. Yeah, but I can charge the battery, right? I can charge the battery with it, but not use the laptop while it's charging. Right? Like, I know I will not get full performance, the GPU will be disabled, I know all of that without the charger. But I will be able to charge the battery. I'm pretty sure. Alright. Let's flip the board over and check there. I'm always curious because I've seen multiple GPUs do this. Is there someone supposed to like put a sticker over here? But you may want to bypass the charging circuit. The charging circuit AD battery to prove if laptop is okay. Oh, like connect my bench power supply to the battery terminal? Yes, or I can charge the battery with my bench top supply. That's also a possibility, right? Right, this looks perfectly fine to me. Okay, that's a bit better. This is, I think this is the face controller, pretty sure. Yeah, it's got the plug for it. This is just gunk. Pretty sure it's not an exploded guy. Yeah, it's just gunk. Yeah. Where is that? Let's get this off, whatever this is. It's like solder. What? Where did that come from? Okay, whatever that was, good that it's gone. Okay. Oh, another bunch of gunk on the cap. Yeah, it's not broken. I was thinking to use bench power supply in the DC jack. My thing can do 20 volts, 10 amps. That's max. That's not enough. Are they really fireworks right now? It's like, today is like what, the 2nd of January already? Like, yeah, I mean at midnight it was alright, but like, still doing fireworks. I mean maybe someone was late, right? Someone got late to be here. These are all the memory decoupling caps. Nothing very interesting here. More dirty components. Ooh. Do you guys see this? Okay, that's a bit concerning. We will repair that. Yeah, it looks misaligned. Absolutely. Is that a resistor? Ooh, we might be here. We might have some kind of like business in here. Let me zoom in. We might finally, good old visual inspection. Sorry for the blindness. I'm gonna turn down the lamp. Okay, that's much better. Yeah, I think that's a resistor. Maybe. NS. What's an NS? Or is that a cap? See, it's destroyed, that's for sure. I mean, I can salvage this one. Can salvage this one. There's no issue with that. Issue is with this guy. What was the value of this guy? Okay, let me warm up my iron. Cup mating with that resistor. Yeah, good shout. That's not factory missing. That's ripped off missing for C1698. I wish I had a smaller tip for this, but unfortunately this is the smallest tip I've got and it's still pretty large, so gonna have to improvise a bit. But yeah, I've done a lot of micro soldering with even such a big soldering iron tip, so I think I'll be fine. Okay, that's one off. Trace broken. Yep. Absolutely. I'm gonna have to. I'm probably gonna have to look up a schematic for this guy. I may even have it somewhere saved. Okay, half of whatever that component was is now removed. Now for the other half. Oh, trying to get at it with such a big tip is so annoying. All right. Let me rotate the board. I think it's gonna be easier for me then. For me to get at, yeah, definitely. It's easier now. Yeah, that's probably ground because that is really hard to heat up. I am going to get those solder. Well, first I'm gonna wipe off my iron. What brand is this? This is the Power Color. No, it's not MSI. It's the Power Color Red Devil edition 5700xt. Yeah, I do have a schematic for it somewhere. I just cannot remember right now where. Might have to just go on bad caps. I mean, whoever invented that website, such a great person. I mean, geez, you can find almost everything there, even the things they keep behind paywalls. You know, sometimes they don't have your back, but most of the time you can find everything you need of them. Oh, hello. Oh my God, I'm not gonna read that right. Zaka the Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man. Welcome. Yeah, I remember you. I just cannot read your name right. I'm sorry. All right, let me put a little bit of flux, and I really mean a little bit. Please don't flood the whole thing with flux. Yeah. Please. Okay, that's a lot, but whatever. We can make that work. Okay. Oh, you see, there was still a piece of that old capacitor, or, I mean, I don't know what that was. Maybe that was a capacitor, maybe not. I need to like let it heat up the joint, because no, I don't know who's messaging me, sorry. I will not be able to reply right now. Kind of streaming. Oh my. It's really hard to heat up this, because this is a big ground plane right here. Come on. Just give it up. Okay, I'm gonna try to add a lower melting point of solder to this. Please. Please. I mean, I think that's as good as we're gonna get it. Now let's read. Because like, okay, those are resistors. Those are capacitors. But what is this one? What is this guy? I mean, not what is this guy, but what was this guy? Or Zach. Yeah, that's that's a much better way of saying that. Yeah, sorry. All right, let me just. I'm gonna take off my phone again. We won't be looking at the table for a bit. Oh yeah, that reminds me. While I'm looking for the schematic, I don't know if this is a good idea, but I did make my own little. Hold the phone. Look at that. Or no. Okay, whatever. Never mind. This is slanted, but it's slanted by design. I thought it was falling off too. Okay. Anyways, I don't know if it's a good idea or not. It might not really be, as I've never did this before and stuff like that. But I did make my own Discord server. I know there's so many Discord servers right now for every single YouTuber, so there's a whole bunch of them. But yeah, I'm going to do video updates there. I'm gonna try. I mean, when these videos come out, and yeah, probably do like discussion about certain video things, and maybe just chill around and hang out. Although we can really do that at any one of these servers. So yeah. Cool, new server for me to join. Yeah. Yeah, it's been made a bit ago, and I did make it. I did add it to my live stream description, but I now think that yeah, I'm ready to like announce it officially. So yeah. Yeah, well, I just started talking and didn't even go to the board view website. Okay, no, that's not the one. The thing is, one of those board view websites that I'm using. Oh wow, yeah, I'm gonna have to like mute Discord for mute Discord for just the stream. So, oh, I should have just put the phone on silent. But yeah, now that people will be joining. Yeah, one of those board view websites that I'm using. It's very great. I really like their design and everything. But the thing is, they only allow 5 boards per like account. So I have like 8 different accounts I need to go through to see which one was on which. That's a 3070 Ti. That's not it. Yeah, it's nowhere. Must have deleted it by accident. Alright, just gonna find it again. Sorry for the delay. Hmm. What is the model name? Hold on, I don't. It's kind of hard to see. I do know that it's from the power color and like that, but the MSI Sapphire. Okay, I'm gonna. You know what? I'm just gonna try the MSI one, see if it's like close enough. Because all of these cards, they're mostly like done from the same reference, right? So sometimes sometimes you can find out things about a card from a card that's not even from the same company. I mean, when we were doing the 3070 on the with Joey, he had the Founders Edition, and those are notorious for not having schematics. So I found like 10 different schematics and board views, and I just did a lot of educated guessing from every single power section that looked exactly the same. Oh yeah. And yeah, oh, I might actually be in business. Yes, it looks exactly the same, and that was actually a cap. So we weren't missing any resistor. That was there are two caps, and then a big cap here. So now, okay, so we need a 22 microfarad and two 1 microfarads. Okay, 2 microfarads. And 1 microfarad. I need to now change to another account that has my donor board on it, so I can harvest some. Yeah, this one. All right, this is our donor. It has a core desoldered. Okay, let's get the easiest one first. These are all 1 microfarads, so let's steal those. If I can like show you, yeah, there it is. Focus, perfect. Okay, so we're stealing some of these. Okay, this one's kind of covered in thermal paste. And I think we can make it work. Come on. Please. Okay, we got it. Okay, 2 now hopefully healthy caps to put on there. Let me wipe off it. Oh, I did kind of take a trace with it, didn't I? Oh well. Right. Let me take this cap right here, and then let me take this cap, even though it's like, how do you even clean a cup like that when it's full of thermal paste? You just scrape away, isn't it? Hold on. Let's do microscopic cleaning of the capacitor. This is so weird. Alright, I think that's enough. Alright. Let's now take back this card here. And here's our problem area. Let me focus it a bit up. Good, good. And now 1 cup right here. And by the way, just to be very, very clear, this is like 99% not our issue. Caps like these, even when they are smashed, they don't really contribute that much, you know, because these are just decoupling caps. They are just decoupling caps and nothing more. So even though it's good to get them on, and of course I'm gonna get them on, these were very likely not our issue. If I can get them on even. Jeez. Please, let me get them on. Come on. Get in there. Please. Get in there. Okay, I might just add a little bit of solder here. How much I would define as a little bit, but keep it kind of like minimal. Also, like, stick to the iron, please. Oh! That really just jump scared me. Okay, we have that side sorted. Not shorted, sorted. Now we just need this side. That we wanted from the very beginning, lol. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. I think we're good. Now we need the other one, which is Oh, it has the little remains of the cap here too, and okay, I don't really know what I'm looking at right now. Let me clean it up. I feel like that's a bit necessary right now. Plus, we will see if that capacitor is strong enough to hold off its own now. Yeah, you can see that the capacitor looks pretty good. Tristan, hello, welcome to my stream. Good to see you here. Yeah, I'm just hopefully fixing this GPU. All right, let me clean it a little bit more, maybe with a toothbrush or something, just to make all of that go away. And like hard stuff, you know what I mean? Okay. I'm also like thinking, guys, I should learn how to make commands, like for my streams, because I have seen, like, for example, MKFix, or has a ton of different cool commands that can play clips and stuff like that. That's really cool, I think. And just for example, like it's showing my Discord link, like that would already be good. So yeah. Okay, let me just. Ooh. Okay, that's a bit of a flood, but. Okay, let me add a bit solder. Oops. Okay, that was not planned. Okay, just stay down. Stay down. And shoot. Shoot up like that. Stay down. This cap, like, come on. Okay, now it's in a good spot. Whoa! That's a big blob. Big blob right there. Oop. Come on, no, don't run away from me. No. It's getting away. It's running from me. I think RR made a quick video on commands. Oh, okay. I'll go give that a watch after this stream, probably. Okay. This is a good joint. This is a good joint. I feel like that's not an ideal joint. I'm sorry for the camera shaking. Let me check on the schematic though, because maybe we can just leave that be. I mean, it's not looking nice, but let's see if those things are even connected together. You know what I mean? We don't want things shorting out, but we also like. Okay. No, not this one. Oh yeah, no, it is this one. It's like, not this one. Oh yeah, it is this one. Okay, so what we have right here, let me like rotate it so it's the right, wrong way. Okay, now it's the right way. And for those, no. So this cap right here doesn't belong. Doesn't want to have a big blob next to it. So, and also this cap just got merged. Poor cap. It should be a little bit. Okay, let me get maybe some wick even. That might help. I might just also like move it to the center of the screen so you guys can like see it better. That did not fix that at all. All right. Let me try again. Oops, okay. This guy right here. Give him back. Right now. Right now. Okay, thanks. Alright, so we have this. I think now, yeah, it's now all well connected. I have to put this cap back here and we are golden, I think. Where is that cap? There it is. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not even looking right now on the graphics card. I've been like double checking, but also not really doing this on the microscope. Right now I'm gonna try to do it by only looking at the microscope. So let's try that. Okay, it is at a bit at an angle, so I'm gonna do it like that. Yep, I lost the cap. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. It's coming. It's coming. Look at it. It's here. The cap is here. Come on. Just a little bit to the right. Thank you. Okay. Now for the difficult part, which is actually getting this thing on. This is, by the way, this is 0201 for like a scale, if you want to scale. Oh, never mind. I am just dumb. Because it really is just can I like, okay, it is actually just a top down, it's not diagonal. Okay, I wouldn't call that good. Let me like add some solder. I think it's gonna make the joint better. Look at the solder wire, it's so big. Okay. This is where the hot air is really helpful, yes. But also, I don't know. Yeah, hot air is the right choice here. I don't know why I'm doing this like this. Guess it's just a force of habit, maybe. I've always been doing caps this way. Okay, we're good. And now for the big 22 microfarad cap. Let me find one. Okay. This is a 22 microfarad, but I don't know if it will actually fit on the solder pad. Oh yeah, it'll be all right. Maybe let me like prep them first. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Old capacitor bits are now removed. And I can now place the big one. You can see how much bigger this cap is. It's like burnt flax, right? Right? I hope so, geez. I'm short. If I'm doing like a shorting capacitor, that would not be nice. I think it's just flax though. Oh my. Okay. Oh, solder wire. Okay. Okay, I accidentally pulled out the solder. More solder. Okay. It's good now. I'm so sorry, but every time I clean my iron, the whole thing shakes because it's on the same desk. It might be easier for me if I rotate the board. I think this might be easier, a little bit easier. This is a bit tricky to do. Add that pad. Oh, I'm struggling so much right now. Really wish I wouldn't. My. It's looking quite bad. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna follow your advice. I'm gonna use hot air for this. Maybe like do it at like a crazy temperature, like 420. Just blast it. It's gonna make everything flow into place, hopefully. Come on, melt. Yeah, I wish it went up to 800C. Yeah. This board is thick, by the way. Oh, yes. Oh my god, yes. Okay. Have one side done. Need to move the heat around too. Oh, come on. Okay. That's good. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. I just straightened them out a little bit too. Whoa. Sorry for the shake. Yeah, I wish it went up to 800 degrees. It would be so much faster, right? Yeah. Anyways, that concludes our capacitor replacement. I guess now it's everything's epic and great. Here too, everything's great. Okay. Now let's, I guess, continue our inspection. I'll come back and clean it later. Okay. Like a weird little debug connector. That looks normal. Let's see this circuit right here. Does it look anything weird in here? Or anything like more missing caps or something? No, that's all good. These are just the normal little like PCIe filter caps. Yeah. Huh? It kind of looks weird, right? This one's like black. Am I correct? Like, oh, this is a resistor. What in the world? Why would you make a resistor like right here? Carver just wants to watch the world burn with 60 volts. Yeah, I mean, I wish my power supply did 60 volts. My PSU can do only 30. Not that much. Not enough to make the world burn. I wish my PSU went to 100 volts. Things I could do with that. Okay. So we did this. Now that we did this, let's do the biases, right? That's what we wanted to do. Let's like remove them both and then yeah. Flash them. Okay. Let's see, like, I wish I could have done this like under the microscope. Oh, maybe you know what, I think I've read a little bit about something. Hold on. There's like this little bit of old thermal paste. If I go ahead, or maybe it has to be like, because there was something like if you have like an old bit of thermal paste, and if you like rub it onto a chip that you're trying to read, get into the tiny grooves, and you will be able to read it under a microscope. Let's see if that's correct. Okay, let's try to read it now. Okay, I can read this one now. Is it even a BIOS? It's not even a BIOS at all. It doesn't look too BIOSy to me. Although they are two like of the same chip, it might still be BIOS. But I can see the microscope, can see with my eyes better than the microscope, so I am gonna like Google the model. No, that's not it. Let's try again under the microscope. It's like AH2003, right? Or am I like not seeing this like well enough? Holy crap! Of course that had to happen. The entire desk tray with my keyboard and everything just went down on my legs. Does kind of hurt now, but I'll be all right. Ow! Oh my god! Of course that had to happen. Jesus! Now it went off the second hinge. Trying to get it out now. It won't go in because the microscope arm is blocking it. Maybe if I do it at an angle. Come on. Okay. No. Whoa! Jesus. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to, instead of Gozi fixing electronics, Gozi is gonna fix a desk. I'll at least try. These are the best type of streams. Oh, hello Pandus. Welcome. My desk just collapsed. Joined at the perfect time. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Okay. Push it forward. Yes, okay. Desk is fixed. Everything's great. Nothing happened. I need to pick up my mouse from under it. Hot glue it back together. Sounds like a great idea, you know? Great idea. Oh yeah, something just occurred to me. Is there a Neo programmer for Mac OS? Dang it. No. No, we cannot. So they're tied together. Yeah. Yeah, you know, on those Christmas trees, like the the solder holding it together, I'm sure that will hold. Oh, or yeah, or solder like a rope. Yeah, yep. There's some very good decisions. You know what? You know what? Best ideas here. Solder weak ropes. Yep. I am kind of at a stop right now. We're always here to help. Thanks, guys. Yeah, I'm kind of on the stop right now because turns out I just can I like yeah the software for the BIOS programmer is only on Windows. I don't have Windows here at all. So I'm gonna have to cook up a Windows PC somehow, and that's not happening today, unfortunately. Because my test bench is dead, and I should have thought of that before I started streaming the thing that should be put in a test bench. So yeah, great job Gozi on this one. Yeah, I don't know. I guess for now, I don't have anything else to like do anything else with. It's just me and this GPU here. It's not it's not like in the workshop where I have everything here. So I can just change the topic. What happened to your test bench? I had to use SSD for something from it, like really badly. So that's somewhere else now. The test bench itself is in the workshop. It doesn't have Windows on it. And also my KVM is broken. It collapsed, yeah, just like my desk. Also my KVM, yes, this is another thing we can fix. We can fix my freaking KVM. Didn't want to work last time. Let's try it now. I'm gonna switch over to the tabletop view. Hold on. I have to start the camera, put it in. Are you related to Carrefour? I don't think so. Who knows though? I have not done a DNA test, so I don't know. Who knows? It's not really not really known if I am, but probably not. That's what I would say, but just that he has quite a bit of stuff that needs fixing too. Oh, okay. I mean, I do have a lot of stuff that needs fixing. A big lot of stuff, but I think some of these I just need to let go of, you know, like some things. Oh, well, the same color lazy but that's me. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, what I was saying is that some things I just have to like give up, because like I keep being stubborn, right? I'm gonna hoard things and be like, yeah, I can fix it someday, you know, I'm gonna get the experience, fix it someday, but they're pretty much worthless, you know, like from the money perspective and everything. My time is, I need to learn that my time is valuable too. So I shouldn't spend another 20 hours fixing another thing that clearly has been tried to revive by myself like 6 times before, and just move on to the next thing, start fresh. Can't win every battle, exactly. Some things, yeah, I really don't like the philosophy that you can just buy better and stuff like that. You know, I'm all about fixing, you know, and not buying new ones. But some battles that you have fought for more than 20 hours of the same device, you know, sometimes even if you think, oh, maybe now it's gonna be different and another idea, and then it doesn't work again. The board looks like an Armageddon. You just have to give up, sell it as faulty, and move on to new stuff so you can learn. All right, I cannot open it. Come on. Ooh, it cracked. Great. All right, so this is my KVM. I'm gonna explain why it's so stupid. So basically, this KVM is really weird. So it had 3 USB-A ports. I think we've all given up on items before. Yeah, but I'm especially stubborn, you know, like someone like I don't know, like Joey or someone like that will go like, yeah, I have spent the last like 3 episodes trying to fix something. It's just not worth my time. Let's move on. But yeah, I just cannot say no. I will keep trying, and waste my time for most of these. Okay, so yeah, let's. The thing is, this guy right here has 3 USB-A ports. Had past tense. For some reason, they didn't occur to them to do like 2 mini USBs here, so you can actually, or no, not even, like you have to plug in your device here, like keyboard, and then you have 2 outputs, and the outputs should be like not female USB-A, right? Like no sane person has USB-A to USB-A cables. That's not a thing. Well, that's why I modified it, but I didn't do it properly, as you can see. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's also not that good. So I will be trying to make it a little bit better, because I'm pretty sure it stopped working. So let me just, yeah, the grounding wire on this one just looks horrible. Let me try to fix that now. Okay. Yeah, USB-A to USB-A is rare. Yeah, exactly. That's a nice multimeter card for. Oh, I had an old bench multimeter troubleshoot, and it turns out one mask ROM was bad. I don't even know what a mask ROM is. I know what a ROM is. I have no idea what a mask ROM is. But yeah, I bet it's a nice multimeter. My multimeter is not that bad, I would say. Like, it's not like very bad, but I am kind of bummed out that it doesn't have any like nice on-screen display. I mean, it does, but you have to set it up on Windows, and I don't stream from Windows, so that's not great. Okay, and now that's a very small RX. Oh yeah. Working on no, not KVM. Okay, and also you guys can't see it because of the microscope view, but alright, hold on. I'm gonna try to. It's a hassle between switching every time. But I will do it. I will switch the microscope. Ooh. The microscope arm is clearly not happy anymore. Yeah, as a streamer, I need to learn that you know, you can't always see what I'm seeing, right? So and yeah, and again, you are not seeing what I'm seeing. Jeez, can I not get it even higher? Okay, I think this is as high as it goes until it cannot focus anymore. It already cannot focus, but whatever. Okay. Nicely tinned the wire. Now the tinned up wire goes here. If you can see it. It's a big blob of solder at the stuff keeping everything. Streaming is a whole new skill. Yeah, definitely. I mean, as you can see, I don't have it, but I'm trying, guys. I'm trying my best. What are your thoughts on shunt modding a Titan V? Titan V is a GPU, right? It's the NVIDIA Titan. You know, for shunt modding any GPU, I mean, I'm gonna elaborate. I'm gonna elaborate on what iSquishworm says. The thing is, it's gonna make your power supply work harder. It's gonna make your electricity bill higher. That's one thing, and it's gonna wear out your components very much faster. It might give you a little bit more performance, sure, but it's gonna wear out pretty soon. Like if I think it's a better decision to just get a sell the GPU and get a better one, or like I mean, if you're happy with the performance, absolutely stay with the same GPU. I have an RX590 in my main PC. That card is a mid-ranger from 7 years ago, now 8. So if you're really unhappy with the performance and stuff like that, I guess you can do it, but I think it's a better it's a better idea to sell it than to do a shunt mod, because that's gonna wear out the components. VRMs are gonna work a lot harder, and you're still not gonna get the new features, right? The DLSS, the everything newer, you know. From shunt modding, it's gonna give you a little bit more horsepower, but for general use, I think generally think it's not that worth it. I blew 3 PSUs already. Mine came pre-modded and pulls 370 watts. I mean, if you like that stuff, I mean, I'm not gonna stop you, right? I'm just offering advice. I'm just saying things like that run best stock. I mean, you're gonna see better performance, right? But long term, it's just gonna probably like blow up a FET or something from doing that. Yeah. Yeah, the temps will be all right. You can liquid cool it. I'm just saying, like, I don't know. If you wanna do it, you can do it. I'm just offering advice. All right. Now we're gonna look at this perfectly done cable by me. I'm gonna see what monstrosity I did to this thing. Poor thing. It did work for a while. Did work. Now it doesn't. So let's see. It's probably that wire I just touched up. That looked like still connected, right? I think you can see the this is why it didn't work. The red wire is gone. It's gone. All right. Let me just remove everything else. Try to open this up. Let's hot glue it back together. Well, some input from someone who repairs GPUs. Yeah, no problem. I mean, I haven't repaired a shunt modded GPU before, but I have seen on many people's channels that a card comes in for repair, the MOSFET is blown, and it turns out the guy shunt modded it. Like, most of the blown MOSFETs repair are, well, maybe not most. I don't know what the ratio is. It's not like I watched every single video on YouTube, but there is a lot of those videos that it turns out that the person just shunt modded their GPUs and then a MOSFET blew. So opening up finally. Just wanna like, because I'm opening this thing up. I want to solder directly to those terminals and not do whatever splicing crap I was doing here. Because again, you don't see what I'm seeing again, because it's not really comfortable to work like that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna try to like move over the microscope. Maybe I can do it right here. Yeah, I guess it's a little bit better maybe. Need to open it up. Like the replacement card, I'll probably do what the Gamers Nexus did and shunt mod it, break some records. I have the best score in user benchmark. Yeah, I mean, for breaking records, of course you can do that. It will break records. It will be very fast, that's for sure. But yeah, I usually use my card for you know, either like gaming or I guess video production, stuff like that, you know. Yeah, you can break records, of course you can. That's gonna get you some, like, it's a pretty nice feeling to break some records. But yeah, just for everyday use, I just wouldn't want to use a shunt mod. Oop, oh my god, it just slid out of there. Okay, I finally got it. I got it. Okay, look at that. I got the USB module. Look at those. Can you see? How can you see them? Okay, you look at those beautiful solder pads. We're gonna solder onto these and finally have some kind of decent connection to this thing. Not by splicing wires together. Okay, to peel back. Have you ever seen an NVIDIA 7950 GX2? Wax? No, I haven't seen that card. It might be like a weird model number, but no, I haven't seen it. I usually do gaming cards. Might be like a workstation card, maybe. But yeah, I'm not familiar with it. Wax some hot glue on it after soldering. You know what? That's the one time when that's actually a good idea. Although I don't have hot glue with me at all. I don't know where it would be. But yeah, that would not be a bad idea. I mean, they did the same thing. I mean, this is plastic, but I could whack on some hot glue. It's not a bad idea. It's the one time when you saying whack some hot glue into it is actually a good idea, you know? One time. Wow, squish. Needs clipping. I had a good idea. Yeah, I mean, for holding the wires in place, because sometimes, you know, people will be tugging on it on the cable. By people, me. And you know, you need the strength, right? So when you tug, it doesn't rip out. So some hot glue is, yeah, I often tug. Yeah, definitely. I mean, I do too. I mean, mostly accidentally, but yeah, it's good to have a strong joint on the physical connector. I do have I do know that on some things, you know, they like route the cable weird, so when you tug it doesn't rip out, you know, like they do like a little loop-de-loop right here and make it so that if you tug on it, it doesn't like rip it out accidentally. Definitely takes space. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you just have a cable and you maybe your desk disassembles like mine did today, and it all just falls down and then it tugs on it really hard. Yeah, you know what I mean. Play tug. Yeah, I really want to have commands set up. Serious repairs. I don't. Do we have like a? Do we have like a thing? Like so. Like a shared YouTube fixers like commands that we can play anywhere. Like on any of the streams, and we can like add commands, remove commands, you know. That would be cool. Like you can just you know, play any clip from any stream on any one of our streams. Never had an accidental tag, but sure I could see it happening. Really, like, why would you yank your cables on purpose? That would be pretty weird, right? Like, when you tug on a cable, it's usually by accident. I never like intentionally try to break a cable. Pretty weird. Oh no, okay. Is Gozi still underage? Yes. Yes, I am still. There is still a year to go for me to be 18. And anyways, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, I accidentally no didn't set up this Streamlabs in overlay because I did it on my other computer and didn't do it here. So that sucks because hold on, I'm gonna correct it now. I'm gonna correct it right now. Or was it Streamlabs or no, Stream Elements? Hold on, I'll correct it right now. Right freaking now. Okay, I have to log in. It's gonna take a little bit. Tagging on cables is bad? Yes, it is. It is indeed. We do not want our cables to break. Revenue streaming overlays. Overlay. Copy URL. That's just what you want to do. We want a browser. That will be this. Oh no, we have to. If this is macOS, I can just do Control V. It's something totally different. Huh? Oh, I think we got it. Yes, okay. You guys can see the... oh, it's like the opacity of the chat is like not great. Your stream's chat, yes. Can I like edit it? Fail? I want to change the opacity of it. Let me. Thank you. Save. I can't see anything. Look like ghosts. Oh, no, okay, okay. It works. It's a little bit better, right? It's a little bit better. I might even do like 98% opacity. Yeah, okay. Haunted chat. Okay, now that the... oh. Do you guys see that? Hold on. I think it's still from the last stream, right? Rusty Russ donated $4.20. I don't know if he... Epic. I think it clears out, right? Or did Rusty Russ just do that? I'm not sure now. I think this is from the last stream still. But yeah, I guess, yeah, I finally, this everything is now set up. Every time you change the setting, it is resetting. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I finally did, I finally, like, made the alert thingy work. I'm pretty sure. I really hope so. Yeah. Okay. Test. Oh, is it like really delayed, the chat? It's like really delayed, isn't it? Sorry. Yeah, it's really delayed. Is there like any way to fix that, or is that just like how it's gonna be? Oh, here it is. Messages are delayed by 2 seconds. Save. Okay. Okay, now I did all live chat. Yeah, I had top chat for some reason, I think. Or isn't it? Okay, now it's test again. Uptime. Oh, okay, this command works. Hey mom on TV. Can it show emotes? Not sure. Probably, yeah. It's like the iPhone emoji, I think. Or maybe like the Google, I don't see it. Yeah, yeah, fire. Don't spread fire in my chat, Carrefour, please. I don't want anything spreading. Spam. Yeah, thank you for the spam, Swindon Electronic Repair. I appreciate it. Piri WRR, if I'm reading that right. Welcome to the stream. I'm not doing anything in particular right now. I'm fixing a KVM. Sorry if you've seen the title. The RX5700xt. It's not right now. It's not. We've changed like 3 caps, but my test bench doesn't work right now. So, and it's not here really. It's in my workshop. Yeah, thank you for the fire extinguisher, Scarfor. I mean, you were the one to start the fire, but I appreciate you putting it out. Yeah, we didn't start the fire. Sorry, guys. Just had to sing. It's such a good song. Oh yeah, now that I have the DJI mics, I can do a little thing. Yeah, now I have DJI mics and I can like actually do it. I mean, what am I saying? I can actually record in nice quality. I don't know. I really like. Yeah, whatever. No, I'm not gonna do it. Never mind. Backing out at the last minute. Backing out at the last minute because you don't know. Fire extinguisher, sure, no. Soaked cloth of IPA. Copyright. Yeah, I wish my singing was as good as that to get copyrighted. Are you guys seeing this? Oh, hold on. Yeah, that will be a lot better. I'm sorry, it still looks like this, but this bad quality, but just how it's gonna be, unfortunately. What was in his van? Haven't watched it yet. Nor me. Don't think so. Or... yeah, I have no idea what's all this about. Alright. Can I show it actually to the camera? It's hard to get the thing because I cannot hold it for very long, because if I hold it for a long time, then the thing... Okay, first of all, let me switch over so my right hand is actually the one that's soldering. And now... okay. Now, okay. I need to expose a little bit more of the cable. Yeah, okay, that's much better. So blurry on the camera, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, now I blobbed it all together. No. Okay, I need some flux. This is definitely not my proudest thing I've ever soldered. Not even close. Oh no, it's all messed up. I need like a, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a board holder. Or not a board holder, a chip holder. And try to hold the chip, hold this inside it. If I have the tools, why not use it, right? Even if they're not for this, whatever. Make it a little bit easier, maybe. Oh no, it's not big enough. I need to do it on the other side. Okay, now I can actually, I'm gonna try to like zoom in also. Okay, now it won't actually, this is brilliant for two reasons. First of all, I can actually focus epic, and also I can now hold one thing with my tweezers, and you guys can actually watch some content instead of just staring at my freaking desk all the time. Yay. Even more fireworks? Come on. Really? Oh no, it blobbed again. Blobbed once again. Okay. More flux. It needs more flux. I need to hold the wires so they don't pop out again. Okay. Good, good. Very good. It's now all great. And the one thing left is the grounding wire. Yes, okay. It's all done. Well, okay. The cutter set his bench on fire after injecting 10 amps with IPA on his. Whoa, okay, I didn't know that. Wow. It's actually taking 10 amps. So confused why he allowed it to draw 10 amps. You say that he already did that before, and all videos the same thing on fire. It's a pattern he needs views. Seen it on live stream before. His best was hot air moth. Poor moth. It's probably if he did it before. This one was worse. Yeah, it was taking 10 amps. Yeah, I mean, some things can take a 10 amps. I am not a good example, guys. I leave my power supply at max amps when I'm injecting. Do not be like me. Limit your current, guys. And then this is gonna happen to me. Oh, Kuek. Or however I should pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. Welcome to the stream. We are doing a USB cable thingy. Okay, I was inserting it upside down. Great job, Gozi. Hold on, I got this. Quaggle. Quaggle? Is that correct? I hopefully it is. How we doing? We're doing all right, I'd say. I mean, we didn't do like much of the graphics card. We found a cap that was even 3 of them that were destroyed. But after replacing them, unfortunately, my test bench isn't up to speed. So we won't be able to test it. And even then, I really don't think those caps did anything important. And I think we're gonna try a different BIOS next time. Because the test bench is gonna have Windows, and I'm just gonna desolder the BIOS, solder it on, and get it over with. Come on. Can I like... Yeah, okay. I'm sorry, I'm just focusing on this thing. I'm just gonna continue my sentence in a bit. Yes. Come on. Okay. Like squash it down so that nice and grips the cable nice and tight. So okay, epic. I think we have the cable is good now, but we don't know until we try, do we? So let's let me plug it in. Okay, the PC is not dead, so it didn't short out. Oh, we have power. You don't see it. Jeez, of course you don't. And of course now the chat is gone. Just hang in there. The light is on, green light. And now let's see if it does data. I have this red pen drive that I 3D printed myself. And oh, okay, it's blinking. Don't see it on the PC or on the Mac. Oh, yes, there it is. Fixed. Guys, we fixed something today. That's all that matters. Doesn't matter that it looks like the cable was gone through a world war. It doesn't matter. We fixed something today, even if it's something as easy to do as a USB cable. That's all that matters. Good job. Hello again. Sorry I had to go. We were working on something new. Oh. Yeah. How am I not subbed? I don't know. I mean, if you want to, you can sub. I mean, that would help out. Yes, like and subscribe. Thank you, JFix. Yeah. Hopefully it's just BIOS, not GPU reball. Chlor, please don't jinx it, man. I have 3 GPUs waiting on a BGA machine so I can do a freaking reball. Don't jinx another one. It's been done, don't you worry, yeah. Yeah, basically what we are doing, we have a KVM, this Chinese piece of garbage, and it had 2 USB-A ports, and a while ago I replaced those ports with cables because no one has a USB-A to USB-A cable. That's not a thing. So I replaced it with cables, and now we fixed this end of the cable because this end was broken, and now it's not, and we're all very happy. And next time, you know, one of this is test bench, one of them is Mac. I do a click, it switches me. I can, you know, work on the Windows or on the GPU, And then I'm on Mac again and can manage the stream. This is everything I need this for. Sean Shakir gonna be summoned. I might seem like a I might seem like a very bad community member, but I don't think I have heard of him yet. I'm gonna have to check him out. Yeah, or maybe it's his name and his channel is called different. I'm sorry if I don't recognize him. But yeah, you have done a couple rebos on this channel already, and there's a couple more coming. Yeah. So. Oh yeah, and also I wanted you guys to your guys' opinion or something. I have had a little bit of a thing happening to me recently. There is I was trying to buy the RX5700 BGA machine. So it's a pretty expensive machine for doing BGA. No, not the thing I thought. What did you think? Was Ice Squish Worms? I don't know what. Well, I don't know what were you thinking of? No, whatever. I'm just gonna continue. Can't say. All right. Yeah. Anyways, I was thinking about buying it, and then I gave the money, and I was supposed to get it, but the person came back to me, but using WhatsApp. He got a hold of my number from the service, and they were like, for fast shipping, give us $300 more. I was like, hell no, I'm not gonna do that. And then I got yeah, scam, exactly. And then I've gotten back. I mean, I've told them that I'm not gonna do that, and I want the product. And they said, I said that I don't need fast shipping. Just ship it at all. I'm gonna wait a couple months. But they said that they're actually out of stock, and to cancel the order. But yeah, we're not doing that currently. We are. We've contacted the shopping site support, and hopefully I can get my money back. And it said in their policy a 10% like increase on my money. So hopefully I do get that. But I am now also wondering, how hard could it possibly be to make a preheater, you know, like from scratch? Of course, you know, for content it will also it would be very, very cool for content, of course. But I'm also thinking, like, it's like a couple of temperature control modules, couple of heating elements. I mean, I'm not talking about those crazy ones that will like perfectly position with cameras, stuff like that. I'm talking just good old heating elements bottom, heating element top, and just a couple probes. Sounds like a nice project. I'm sure it's been done. Yeah. Yeah, and I was thinking, like, maybe I can like have a microcontroller that will manage everything for me, and have like a couple probes on everywhere, so I know how hot the board is, how hot like I can have a probe on at the top of the board, so I know how hot the top of the board, how hot the bottom of the board is, how hot the heating elements get, and it's just a lot more control than the normal ones that give you like one probe. And I could make the probes, you know, make sure that the board doesn't get to a certain temperature, you know, uh, like a fail-safe for me not to burn the board, because like maybe I set the temp too high, and then like at a certain point the PCB should not have this much heat, you know what I'm saying? But would it be cheaper than just buying one? That's a very good point. They are very expensive, the ones that you buy, and of course they have the reasons to be very expensive. So I don't know if it would be cheaper. The heating elements itself, from what I've seen, are not that expensive. The whole circuit doesn't seem that expensive. The two most things that I'm worried about is the top heater arm, the mounting for the PCB, and the whole chassis. If you want to make one, to give you custom control or to learn it from, sure. Yeah, I've been thinking about it. I don't know if I'm actually gonna go through with it, you know. Just a thing on my mind that this would be a cool thing, but you know, I might just go ahead with the original one. Just, you know, it's always a lot of work, but it would be pretty cool. just saying. I got some thread locker finally. I can lock the hinge screws. I'm kind of feeling a little bit sick right now, so sorry for my voice. Yeah. Ever heard of Black Horse Repair? That does ring a bell. That does ring a bell. Does ring a bell, but I've heard of them. Maybe been to their streams like once or twice. I'm not that online of a person, unfortunately. I mean, I do sit on Discord for a long time, but yeah, I try to be on streams, but it's hard to be on everyone's stream, fortunately. He's developed software for the RX5700 to control temps and mod the machine. Ooh, that's a cool thing. He has added support for bottom heater control. How did you see that, Russ? Yeah, oh, that's very cool, but yeah, the IR6500, the issue with that is IR6500 IR6500 isn't how to say, doesn't match my dimensions that I want for a preheater. IR8500 has like a long heating plate, right? It has two elements and they make up a rectangle. And what I want for the GPUs is to have a rectangle shape. Well, that's why I want the 8500, not the 6500. 6500, 800, 8500, same controller, same VHR software. Oh, okay. I might look into that. That's very interesting. All right. I'm gonna add this one here too, so you guys can see everything by 1080. Hey, okay, the chat is here again. The in the upper right corner, it's scrolling away. Amazing. Seen some video with that SBGN. Looks very impressed. Suffix S8 SBGN2. Hold on, I'm gonna look it up. I mean, I also don't want the machine to cost like $1 million, right? I am still kind of I don't know if I would call myself, but maybe I am kind of a broke teenager, you know, trying to repair stuff. Suffix SBGN2. Okay. It's like a silicon mat preheater kind of thing, yeah? VGA heating station. It gets hot enough, yeah? To swap the CPUs. Huh. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper than the RX5700, but also you do have to desolder the top chip by yourself, right? It's not the automatically. I mean, I have used the Atom to desolder chips before. You know, the 1080 Ti core. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely something definitely something. Some temp curves. All right, what hour is it? Oh man, it's. I have 4 minutes remaining for streaming. Yeah. But yeah, I guess we didn't fix the GPU, but that's alright. We fixed something today, so today is a win nonetheless. And yeah, do you guys have anything like you wanna talk about with me? I guess for those last 3 minutes, or yeah, I don't really know what to say. I'm just gonna begin the cleaning up. Sorry. I have joined the Discord. Oh, thank you, JFix. Throw this out. When will you be streaming again? Oh, the link is in the description of the stream. Yeah, I just announced it in this stream. I mean, the Discord has been here for a couple streams in the description, or maybe in 1 or 2 of them. But I'm just announcing it today that yes, I do have it, but it's not gonna be a great Discord server so far because I have no experience at all. So manage your expectations. Yeah. When you will be streaming again? That's a very difficult question for me. I want to have a schedule. I really want to, but life often gets in the way of that. I'm pretty sure, I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do the test bench, so either when I get the test bench or the laptop arrives, alright? I think that's the next time I will stream. The laptop shouldn't take that long to arrive. I mean, we will see when he ships it. Hopefully he will at all. But yeah, next one it will be, yeah, laptop will be cool. Yeah, definitely. JFix will be, yeah, JFix will be happy too. Yeah, you know, I have fixed. Good luck getting RAM. Thanks. I'm gonna need it. But like, have to ask for donations to get RAM for the laptop. Yeah, epic. Yeah, I hate the RAM situation right now. loan him some RAM, JFix. Yeah, I have worked on sell your house. You can have half a stick, not even a full stick. Yeah, the times are tough. But yeah, I have fixed several laptops before. I mean, I have attempted a lot, but I only fixed a couple. But I've gotten pretty good at understanding schematics and board views. I mean, pretty good is not perfect. Still, there are some things that always trip me up. But yeah, it very much should be an interesting one. So hopefully we can have fun, you know. All right, guys. I think that's gonna be it for today's stream. Thank you all so much for being here, for supporting me. And yeah, I'll see you guys for the next one. Hopefully with that laptop, we shall see. I will give in the Discord description. I mean, in my Discord server, I will update you guys regularly on how the laptop is going. Like in the shipping. So yeah. Thanks for streaming. Thanks for the stream. Oh, thank you guys. Yeah. Later, guys. Goodbye.